You and me make a perfect team. Yeah, you and me, we make a perfect team. Let's travel the world and sail the seven seas. 'Cause you and me, we make a perfect team. Hey!
Hi guys, my name is Sarah and you're here on my channel, and today we're gonna do vlogs from Unilever product, and that is before we start with that, I'm gonna show you some products that was given to me. This was an Etude. It's a fix and fix primer Pore. So yeah, I already put on some moisturizer, cleanse my face, and then we're gonna put on this primer. So always the words. Okay, now we're gonna put on a foundation, and it's from Mark. Avon. It's actually Mark, and it's from Avon. So nude Mark nude makeup. Yeah. I always like tan colors, so yeah. So since we received a product from Unilever, yay, it's actually a sampling products, different kinds of products like Pond's, and I wash my face with this right now, the Pond's White Beauty and Super Cream. Yeah, just use like this one. This one is the cream, and then I also have the facial foam, and I also have the facial form. Okay, you guys, so here's another one that was given to me. It is Missha. It's a new company, I don't know, but let's check on it. Yeah. Okay, there. Oh, here you can see it. It's for the Missha. And I'm gonna put it. Okay. So it's a little bit bent. And yeah, let's check. Long lashes. It's really pretty, and I actually like that this Missha actually enhances my eyelashes. So yeah, it lengthens it, and okay, although it doesn't make that curve, like, so if you want to make a curve on your lashes, it doesn't curve that much. Yeah, it does curve a bit. A little, but not that much. But it does enhance my eyelashes more. So you're gonna put on your lower little lashes so that it look more enhanced. It looks like I'm wearing a mini false eyelashes, except I'm not. But if I'm wearing one, it'll be more beautiful. It's not that it's not that messy really. It doesn't have like extra blots. And you can actually arrange your eyelashes with this. Oh, I'm actually loving it. Yeah. Okay, can you see that, guys? It looks like I'm really wearing a false eyelashes. Can you see that? It looks like I'm wearing a false eyelashes. It actually enhances my eyelash. It is being lengthened. And in here, I don't know if you can see my lower lashes, but yeah.